Quick check. Are you breathing right now? You'd be surprised how often we hold our breath while on our phones. So let's change that. Begin by taking a slow breath through your nose. Let it fill your ribs, your sides, even your low back. Now exhale through pursed lips like a quiet sigh. Keep scrolling if you want to, but don't stop breathing. Posture starts with presence, and presence starts with breath. Continue playing around with this idea of breathing while on your phone. And this can take place in any environment and while in any position while scrolling on your phone.